Hi, so this is Mike from Canopy Coaster here on the all-new Fire Runner at Lost Island. This is a brand new RMC Raptor in the Parks Fire Realm, and the ride looks great. You can probably see the station behind me. It's a nice fancy station. There's some nice rock work in the queue, and going up the lift hill now, it's loud as anything for any RMC Raptor, so not sure if you'll hear me right now, but yeah, we'll be at the top shortly, and then this is a very good ride. If you love the Raptors or you've never been on one, nice forceful, good air time. Very smooth too. At the top right now, looking at the nice Iowa cornfields. Turn towards the park, get a great view overlooking all the rides. And here we go. Down the ultra steep drop. Dive loop. My favorite part. Oh, good cheese here, graying out. Check out this near miss at the station. Final inversion. So that's Fire Runner. That's Fire Runner, the park's new best ride. If you've never been on a Raptor, come check it out. If you've been on a Raptor, definitely check it out because the ride's a little differently than the others. And yeah, this is a nice signature attraction for Lost Island to have, and can't wait for more people to get on it. And like the other Raptors, as you see it pull into the station, this has a continuous moving load platform, so dispatch should be nice and quick, which is great to help keep the line moving. So, Canopy Coaster signing off.